On Wednesday, October 9th, a serious case unfolded in Singapore involving a private hire driver named Eng Chi Hong, who was charged with the death of a Vietnamese drink stall assistant. This tragic incident began on New Year's Eve last year, where Eng, along with some friends, celebrated at a coffee shop in Jurong East, Block 318. The victim, Mr. Dao Van Chien, who worked at the coffee shop, mingled with patrons and joined Eng's group in their festivities. As the night progressed, the group moved to Jolo KTV at Yuan Ching Road to continue the celebration. At the KTV, Mr. Dao was seen intoxicated, dancing, and interacting with strangers. Concerned that Mr. Dao's behavior might cause trouble, Eng tried to bring him back to their table. While Mr. Dao complied and even attempted to shake hands with Eng declined and left the KTV at around 12:30 a.m. What happened next took a fatal turn. After leaving the KTV, Eng encountered Mr. Dao again near a Shung Siong supermarket. The victim, intoxicated, approached Eng and suggested they drink more alcohol together. Annoyed by Mr. Dao's behavior, Eng reacted by punching him in the face. The punch caused Mr. Dao to fall backwards, hitting his head on the concrete floor. CCTV footage captured the entire incident. Eng, rather than seeking help for the fallen victim, briefly looked at Mr. Dao before walking away. Instead of helping, Eng drove to Balmoral Plaza to meet his friends for more drinks. Mr. Dao, who was left lying motionless, was later found by his colleague, bleeding from his mouth. He was rushed to the hospital, where he succumbed to his injuries 3 days later, on January 4th, due to severe skull fractures and brain injuries. Eng was charged for causing grievous hurt and drink driving, the latter offense committed while he was already on bail. The prosecution is seeking a jail term of up to 3.5 years, a fine of 3,000 Singapore dollars, and a driving ban of up to 30 months. They highlighted that Mr. Dao was the sole breadwinner for his wife and 2 children in Vietnam, emphasizing the devastating impact of his loss on his family. Eng's history of convictions, including attacking public servants, rioting, and voluntarily causing hurt, dating between 1994 and 2012, was also presented in court. His defense, however, argued that these were outdated and that Eng had since turned over a new leaf after being released from prison in 2017. His lawyers also pointed out that Eng had helped raise funds to cover the victim's funeral expenses and explained that the punch was a spur-of-the-moment reaction fueled by annoyance at Mr. Dao's intoxicated behavior. They also noted Eng's personal circumstances, including caring for his terminally ill mother and young son. Eng's sentencing is set for Thursday, October 10th. What are your thoughts on this tragic case? Do you think past convictions should weigh heavily in sentencing, or should the court focus more on the specific incident? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed coverage of important news stories. This is 2230, and we look forward to hearing your thoughts.